This is the new super powerful Note 9, Samsung's latest flagship phone, and quite possibly the best they've ever made. It is seriously impressive. Now we're going to go through the Note 9's incredible specs in just a minute, but first of all, let's talk about this, the famous S Pen. It's been redesigned to make writing and drawing more accurate, and it's now equipped with Bluetooth technology. That opens up a whole world of possibilities. For example, you can use it as a remote slides clicker to give your presentations a professional touch, and it also works as a camera shutter button up to 10 meters away. So no more standing in front of a mirror to take full body selfies. Plus, you can do all your favorite S Pen stuff. So jotting down notes without unlocking your phone, doodling, drawing and getting creative, highlighting text to cut and paste, and even quickly translating something. And when you're done, simply slot the S Pen back into the holder and it starts recharging straight away. It really doesn't take long to get used to the S Pen at all. And when you do, you'll wonder why you've been using your finger to type and swipe for all these years. Okay, so that's the S Pen. Now let's take a look at the Note 9 itself. Now the bezels are tiny, so the amazing 6.4-inch infinity display covers almost the entire surface. You can now see and do more than ever. And as you'd expect from a Samsung flagship, the camera is something special. Its dual aperture adapts like the human eye for spectacular shots in any light. And the camera scene optimizer is a brilliant feature. It recognizes your surroundings and optimizes colors to help you take detailed shots just like a pro. You can also record stunning looking video footage in 4K. And finally, let's take a peek under the hood. The Note 9 is powered by an ultra-fast octa-core processor backed up with 8 GB of RAM to help you achieve more every time you use it. And the battery is Samsung's most powerful yet and will help you go further in the day. Plus, there's a serious amount of inbuilt storage for all those apps, games and awesome 4K videos that you'll be shooting. And if you can't wait to pre-order the Note 9 from Carphone Warehouse, then we really can't blame you. Use a finger or stylus to tap the on-screen link